Is that okay? Hey, somebody's ringing. Hey! Somebody hung up. Oh boy, I'm on Mike's team. Oh boy. So you do recall, of course, that whenever you're on my team, you are going to be on the losing team. Now I have everyone's picture now. Taurus, what happened?
Daddy. Mama. Mommy. Mom. Mama.
Yes, ma'am.
Where's Daddy?
I don't know. Pretty.
Daddy.
Pretty.
Daddy, I know what was using that water bottle. It had a hole.
Serendipitous. A what? A gerund. Racing.
Roll down the way. What do you mean, the water bottle for him?
Characters.
And now my water bottle is like over there.
Of.
No.
Delicate. Delicate. Star. Shells. And a plural noun. Pipes. Another noun. Italy. I got happy music. No, that's a place. Let me give you a different noun. Piano. Another gerund. Reading. 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 Oh my God, are you freaking kidding me? These are totally unbalanced. Ellen, you are ahead of Mike. Mike? Ellen is ahead of Mike. Kilo, that was very naughty. Is Taurus back online? He must have lost his connection. Ah, you're right. Mike, we're on the same team. Please don't steal boxes for me. Hey, I'm in third, so keep quiet. Well, I was. Sethy passed me, the naughty thing. Did you give her the dasher? Yo! Come on!
Let's do it. Ah, you did something, son. Bye.
That would be me. No, not me. Mike. I told you I have extremely fast. Ah! Go, Mama, go, 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 go. I got fourth. It signed me out again. Mike! Mike, look at that! Yes! I know, it's not fair. What? Oh, never mind. I looked at something. It's confusing me. Yes? Funny fart story? Where's the funny fart story?
Seriously, you're wasting food.
I'm ready for it.
You ate that much yesterday. It's impossible to eat all that.
Can I have a... He does say hello.
Lisa, tipping it over. You're wasting food. I'm telling you right now. There's no way.
Oh my gosh. Hello, Taurus.
We gotta get a different bowl. Look, this is a different bowl. That bowl's no good. When she sticks the bowl, we need a different bowl. We need a round one.
Because somebody is annoying me with it. Steffi knows that I hate this course. And this course, more accurately, hates me.
So why would you fill it up? Why would you do that?
I put it in, Dad.
You put it in there.
I
You put it all over the eggs.
No, I grabbed the rest of the food out and then I put more food in. Because that's why I don't get the money anymore.
But it gets over here when it's all stuff. So you need to get this. She sticks the bowl over.
No, she's putting the bowl over because that's how she knows that I know she wants more food.
She wants more food? Lisa, that doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Seriously? Okay, yeah, this is typical Luigi circuit. Typical Luigi circuit. Typical Luigi circuit. I always come in last every time. Oh my gosh, are you freaking kidding me?
No, I'm not, Dad. She's just trying.
You know, you guys can kiss my butt.
No.
Taurus,
This might have a lot of food she likes.
Taurus, we need the fart story.
No, I'm not, Dad. I'm telling you.
Taurus, we're in desperate need of a fart story. Yeah. If you'd like. I should just try to anticipate it then. Oh, wait a minute. You're not in need of the story. I'm in need of the story. You're on the winning team. And we're starting off behind. Oh my God, I am getting absolutely... You're on my team. I shouldn't have done anything to you. Ah! Gosh darn you blue team people. You're very annoying. It doesn't seem to matter. You could have had 3 people drop out, and oh my gosh, by 100 points, really? I told you, whoever's on my team, sorry, you're on the losing team.